Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video. And today I'm going to show you how you can unblock someone from your Facebook. If you block someone on your Facebook and you just want to unblock that person, so this is the video that I will show you step-by-step process to how to do it. So without any delay, let's start the video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile. And now for the sake of this video, I'm going to block someone on my Facebook. Let's see this one. Just click that person option and block them. And to unblock this person, I need to do the following step. Just go to your just select those straight three lines on top of your right and scroll down and select settings and privacy. Here just click that and go to settings option and scroll down a little bit, and here you can see the option blocking. Just click that option, and here all the people that you blocked, and I blocked this person recently. To unblock is all you have to do is select that person, just select that and click unblock, and now that person is unblocked and you successfully unblock that person. And you can see that that person is unblocked on my Facebook profile. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps you, and consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys on next one.